espresso machine. That one's damaged, but that's the BREVILLE right there. And that's protein powder. Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video of the BREVILLE Barista Express. It's been sitting by my front door for 3 days, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing video of it since it's been on my mind and I just wanted to whip it out when I got home today. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, and then next time when I make coffee, which I'm thinking maybe Friday or Saturday, which is in 2 days, I will do a first time brew since I know nothing about making espresso, and I'm just gonna open it because I know people like unboxing videos, and why not? So I'm gonna grab it by the front door and we'll get started piece by piece. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. I'm not at a table because I don't have a dining room table right now. I'm waiting for that. That'll be here Friday. Maybe I'll do an unboxing for an article dining room table. It's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait to get it. That's coming on Friday. So I'm just gonna do it right here in my living room. I don't really have a good knife because some people stole my box cutter when they went to Burning Man. So I'm using a steak knife, which is probably not good. This is probably boring, just opening cardboard. Okay, so I did my research for which espresso machine to get. I asked all my Facebook friends and got 40 different answers, and the top answer was the BREVILLE Barista Express. I guess this is the second edition. This one actually grinds your beans. All right, let's see if I can take it out. It's really heavy. I'm gonna just tear it open. That's not exciting. Maybe, okay. All right. I hope I don't have to send it back because I'll have to get a new box. No, I'm keeping this one. I use like gift cards. I use raise.com gift cards. If you haven't heard of that, you should try raise.com. You can buy like a gift card. I bought a $500 gift card for $475 and another like $100 gift card for $80. And then I used a Visa $200 gift card that I had waiting. So I ended up paying $545 for this, and it goes for $6.99 plus tax. So I didn't really want to spend more than $600, so I didn't. And okay, this is the box. It's really heavy. People in the other videos make it look light, but it's probably 35 pounds. Heavy for a box, it's awkward shape. Okay, BREVILLE Barista Express. Here's the tab. I'm so excited for this. I've watched a lot of videos. I know I can get it dialed in. Got my coffee beans from a local roaster. I just want to talk about how much I love BREVILLE. About 5 or 6 years ago, I was looking into juicers and I got the BREVILLE juicer, and it still works. It's amazing. I've never had problems. I've recommended it to other people. Definitely try BREVILLE. They make very good things. So I'm very excited for this. I've heard good things and bad things. A couple of the bad things are just maybe some of the noises that it makes. But we'll see. I think I can handle a little bit of noise. Okay. So I should lower this. Here we go. Comes with the styrofoam and all your things. You got your, like I said, I still don't know what it's called, everything. Anyway, people who are baristas know all this stuff. I'm gonna have to ask my next door neighbor because she worked at a coffee shop for like 10 years. Okay, here's the start guide. Maybe I'll just quickly show like stuff that's in it. This is pretty heavy duty. I didn't know it was gonna be this solid. It looks just kind of light in the videos that I see, and it's really heavy duty and seems very well built, like a Mercedes. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the ground. Move this. That's over here, and I'm gonna sit. Okay. Cleaning kit. That's good to have because I
I know I'm gonna have to keep it clean. That's what they say. It's like a car. You need to change the oil and the filters. There's a lot of little pieces. We even have a little Allen wrench. I don't know what that's for. I know we have this little brush, which is for fluffing up the ground beans after you grind them, or cleaning, maybe just actually it's in the cleaning kit. But I've seen people in other videos mix up the beans to fluff them up instead of dumping them out and then pouring them back in the lever. Okay, we'll go through all this stuff later. I'm gonna put it back in the little box for the cleaning kit stuff because I don't want to worry about that now. Obviously, I just want to set it up and get it going. I think I have a friend coming over to help me too, so that will be good. Little pieces, don't lose them. There's a lot of little things, it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I need a way to make my coffee better. And hopefully this does it, because I love Americanos, and now I can make cappuccinos, lattes, just espresso shots. Everything I need in life is all I need in a cup of coffee. Okay, the razor, I don't know. I think this is actually for trimming down the pan. Okay, I don't know. I'll read it all. Not on the video. I'm just taking everything out for you guys, so if you want to see it. If you want to get the BREVILLE Barista Express, it's kind of expensive, but it's better than paying $3,000. Now, here are all the filters. I called the local coffee roaster guy, and he knows everything there is to know about coffee and beans, and I talked to him on the phone yesterday for like 30 minutes, and he was saying just to not even worry about any other filter except the double, which these are single wall and these are dual wall, so I guess that means double. I don't know. This, yeah, okay, ground coffee filters. Oh, this is the duals for the 2 cups and 1 cup. Okay, so if I want a double shot, I use this one, which I probably will most of the time. In just 1 cup, I'll use a double shot. Or if I want it to come out of both spouts, use this one. So I'll probably just plug in the single double shot filter and keep it at that until I want to change it up for fun someday, which I don't think I will. More styrofoam. Here's the plunger thing, which I was curious to see how heavy it was. This is the tamper where you push down the beans after you grind them. Apparently you need to get that down before you get the best cup of espresso. There's pressure changes that you can use more force and more strength, or the twisting at the end. I'll show. So it's after you have your beans, you put it down. There's one online on Amazon that I've seen other people use, but it's like $30. So I'm just gonna use this one for right now. Okay, well, this is gonna be, all right, I'm gonna hold it with my legs. And then, this is the machine, I don't want it to fall. Okay, this is when I need another person with me. This is the most awkward unboxing video ever, but I'm gonna use it. Here's the machine, guys. I still don't know where I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. I'll have to show you. I don't really want it in the same spot as my other coffee maker because this is supposed to be a good experience, and I kind of want it by a window. So when I'm waiting for it to brew, which is only gonna be under 30 seconds, I want to look out the window instead of facing a wall or a cabinet. So I'll think about where it's gonna go. Okay. So after all the styrofoam and box is gone, apparently it's gonna be a lot lighter. I think people will just lift it and move it around. Okay, it's not so bad. 30 pounds now. Plastic. And it looks pretty nice. It's pretty sharp looking. Some of the other ones are really modern and really expensive. I think I did a good job sticking with BREVILLE and paying the price that I did for this one. It's got your grinder in it. Here we go, let's see. There it is. This is the BREVILLE Barista Express. I don't have all the pieces on it. Obviously, I don't have the grinder cup attached. They say to keep the setting as is inside the grinder. Don't mess around with it until like after a few years when it's not working as well. You can change that different setting in there, but as right now, just keep it where it is. I'm just rambling on about stuff I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just keep that there and show you. This is basically what it looks like. and I'm gonna put it on the counter. It's really nicely made. It's got good silver finish on it. I guess it's metal most. Here's your tray that you can keep your filters in, and also the drip tray with dirty water. You can pour it out. This is where the water tank in the back here. Water tank, it looks like, I don't know how many ounces it fits, just as minimum and maximum. I'm hoping it's quite a bit, because I know that they say to run a cup of hot water before brewing your espresso, just to get the machine working and your cup hot. That's a lot of water to be wasting if you're gonna buy distilled or purified. But if you have a great filter at home on your sink or on your refrigerator, that water's just fine too. Okay, so there's my unboxing. At least I did it, and now it's done. I can get rid of the box and stop looking at it. And then I will continue on with this video when I set it up and make my first cup of espresso. Okie dokie, that's about it. The BREVILLE Barista Express.